آیا اسم حشرات را به انگلیسی بلدی؟ در این درس، کلمات و جمله‌های کاربردی درباره حشرات را با لهجه آمریکایی یاد می‌گیری. با واژه نو همراه باش.
Hello, I'm Dr. Jill. Bugs. There are more bugs than any other animal on the planet. They have important jobs in nature. And there are many different kinds of bugs. Now let's visit Anna. She answers the question, what is your favorite bug?
I love nature. But nature has something I do not love. Bugs. Lots of bugs.
Bugs are important, Anna.
Max, do not move. You have a big bug on your back. Hold still.
Anna, what are you doing? Ow!
Where's the bug? Where's the bug?
Anna, I have the question for today.
What is your favorite bug? Who has a favorite bug? Ah, bug!
Uh-oh. Oh dear, Anna is really afraid of bugs. Maybe she does not have a favorite. My favorite bug is the butterfly. Some English words are made of two words, like butterfly. Butter, fly. Butterfly.
Here are some bugs with two-word names. Grasshopper, grass, hopper. Dragonfly, dragon, fly. Firefly, fire, fly.
My favorite bug is a beetle.
My favorite bugs are bees. Bees make honey.
Grasshoppers are my favorite bug. They can jump really high.
Anna, you have mail.
Thanks, Max. Bug hunt. Please come to our bug hunt today at 1 p.m. Bug hunt? No way.
Anna, what is a bug hunt?
You go outdoors and find bugs. But I am afraid of bugs.
Anna, there is no need to fear bugs. They help us. And some bugs are cute, like ladybugs.
Ladybugs are cute. I am not afraid of a ladybug. Okay. I can try. On my list, I need to find a butterfly, a dragonfly, and a firefly. Hey, a butterfly!
One butterfly. Many butterflies.
Butterfly, check. Now let's find a dragonfly. Ooh, dragonflies are hard to find. Hey, look, there's a dragonfly.
One dragonfly. Many dragonflies.
Dragonfly, check. My list has one more bug to find. A firefly.
One firefly. Many fireflies.
Done.
خوشحال میشم نظرات شما را در کامنت ها ببینم.